Welcome to Organic Chemistry. You can see here this is the very good melting point apparatus with built-in thermometers. So first you see the instruction right there. You can set the plateau, that's the temperature, so the heater will ramp up to that temperature real fast and then slow down, and so you can start. So if you know your melting point, for example aspirin is about 135 degrees Celsius, I would set the plateau temperature to be around 120 and then let it ramp up slowly to 135, that range, when you watch until it melts. Okay, so here's the melting point tubes, tiny tube. There's one open end right here. You can tap on the solid, and the smaller amount of solid actually the better. Tap on the open end and then turn around the closed end. You tap on and until you get the solid all the way to the bottom. So it's basically like a tiny test tube, and then you would stick the closed end with the solid inside. I don't know if you can see the solid inside, the tiny bit of solid inside right there. You can see it. Okay, that's all you need actually. So you can stick in the chamber. There it is. Okay, and in the magnifying glass you should be able to see your tube in there. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so when you look carefully, you see your carbonate tube in there in that magnifying glass. So that way you can watch it and know when the solid collapse and melt, and that's when you record the temperature at the beginning when it starts to melt and when it complete melting. So that's when you record the temperature range, and that's why you don't need a lot of solid. The more solid you have in there, the longer it takes, so your range usually wider. Of course, the impurity also slow down the melting, which increase the range. And that's if you got a really wide range, like 5-6 degree range, then you know you have impurity, like 130 to 135 range, for example. If it's good, it should be only 1 degree range or 2 degree range, like 134 to 136. That would be a good range. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll let you know what I'll record it. I'll take a picture of it. I'll just record it, what the actual temperature of this aspirin that we synthesize. Thank you for watching.